Hey, good morning, students. Now, in this video, we are going to start the new topic, that is associated Legendre polynomial, which you may not have studied in the earlier standard. So, associated Legendre polynomial. Legendre associated Pn of x. Right. So there is a little bit difference between Legendre differential equation and associated Legendre differential equation. So let's write the differential equation for associated Legendre polynomial. So the differential equation for a Legendre polynomial is 1 minus x square into y double prime minus 2x y prime plus n into n plus 1 is equals to into y equals to 0. So this is the Legendre differential equation, and the change in associated Legendre differential equation is 1 minus x square y double prime minus 2x y prime plus n into n plus 1 minus m divided by 1 minus x square into y, and this is equals to 0, right, where m and n both are positive. Then this equation is called the associated Legendre polynomial. Let us say this is equation number 1. What is the change? Change is only in this term. If m is equals to 0, I will write if m equals to 0, then associated Pn of x, associated Legendre polynomial reduces to Legendre differential equation, right? Now once the Legendre associated polynomials Legendre differential equation is known, then you must know what is the solution of this differential equation. The solution of associated Pn of x is, its solution is written as y is equals to a into Pn m of x plus b into Qn m of x. This is its solution. Just as this is equation number 1. So equation number 2 is the solution of equation number 1. Equation number 2 is the solution of associated Legendre polynomial, right? Now what is Pn m of x and Qn m of x? This Pn m of x, this is called as associated Legendre function of first kind. Associated Legendre function of first kind. Similarly, Qn of x, Qn m of x is called as associated Legendre function of second kind. And both has a relation. So let us write those relations. So Pn m of x is Pn m of x. This is equals to, let us check whether this is visible to you or not. This is okay. So Pn m of x is equals to 1 minus x square raised to power m by 2 into mth derivative dm by dxm mth derivative of Pn of x. Pn of x is a Legendre polynomial, right? So mth derivative of Pn of x, where m is less than n, then and only then this is valid. If m is greater than n, then this value is equals to a 0. Please remember, this is very important. This is only valid for when m is less than n. And Qn of x, I will write now here. Qn of x is equals to, this is equals to 1 minus x square without any power and mth derivative of Qn of x. Qn of x. So we are not going to study in more details about this. The point of interest here is Pn m of x, because this is the associated Legendre polynomial, and using this equation and this m less than n is valid for both the equations, right? So these both equations, Pn m of x and Qn m of x, these both relations are valid when m has a value less than n. If m is greater than n, then these values goes to 0, right? So all this related to the associated Legendre polynomial. Hope you have understood. Now let's go for the orthogonality property of these polynomials, and I should write here actually this Pn m of x is equals to 0 when m is greater than n. And this associated Legendre polynomial is orthogonal in a particular region, in a region where x has a value greater than -1 and less than +1. So I can say associated Legendre polynomial or Pn of x into bracket I can say that is Pn m of x. So associated Legendre polynomial is orthogonal within x greater than -1 and less than +1, this region. And the orthogonality property is integral from -1 to +1 Pn m of x into p k m of x into dx. This is equals to 0 when n and k are not equal. When n and k are not equal. And the second orthogonality property, integral from -1 to +1, this is equals to Pn m x square into dx, and this is equals to 2 divided by 2n plus 1, one term, and one more additional term in the associated Legendre polynomial is n plus m factorial divided by n minus m factorial. So this is the orthogonality property of associated Legendre polynomial. You should remember this. There is no other way to understand the associated Legendre polynomial. It's orthogonality property. Now let's obtain some first few associated Legendre polynomials. to obtain the associated Legendre function, example, obtain the associated Legendre function first p21 of x, second p32x, third p43x, and fourth p23x. So this kind of Legendre polynomials, associated Legendre polynomials, we have to obtain by using the equation for, or the solution for, associated Legendre polynomial differential equation. And what is this equation? Pn m of x, this is equals to 1 minus x square raised to power m by 2 and into mth derivative of Legendre polynomial Pn of x. So you must know the polynomial P1, P2, whatever. Now what is here? We have to obtain the P2 1 of x. This implies that the value of n is equals to 2 and m is equals to 1. This is n and this is m. So n has a value equals to 2, m has a value equals to 1. So to obtain this equation, you must know the second Legendre polynomial P2 of x, you must know. But before that, let us write this relation. So P21 of x, this is equals to 1 minus x square raised to power m by 2. M has a value equals to 1, so raised to power half into first derivative. Having 1, it's a first derivative of p, n is equals to 2, so p2 of x, right? So hope you have understood how to transform this equation, and this will be more easy now. So this becomes equals to 1 minus x square raised to power half and first derivative d dx of P2 of x. Now what is P2 of x? P1 of x is equals to 1 and P2 of x has a value equals to 1 half 3x square minus 1, if you remember. If not remember, go back and see what is the value of P2 of x. So this is P2 of x, and if you take the derivative of this, then we will get P21 of x, right? This is P21 of x. So this will be equals to, I will just do here only, 1 minus x square raised to power half into its derivative. So 1 half is constant and the derivative of 3x square minus 1 will be equal to 6x into 6x, right? So this becomes equals to 3x. So I can say 3x into 1 minus x square raised to power half is the value of P21 of x. So we got the value of P21 of x. I will write here again. So P21 of x, this is equals to 3x into 1 minus x square raised to power half. So this is the value of P21 of x. Similarly, you can use the same method and obtain the value of P32x. We'll do one more problem, and then other problems you can solve. So the second is P32 of x. So this P32 of x will become 1 minus x square raised to power m by 2. Now m has a value equals to 2, so 2 by 2 is 1 into second order derivative of P3 of x. N is equals to 3, so P3 of x. Isn't it? Now you should know the value of P3 of x. Now what is the value of P3 of x? It is 1 half time 5x cube minus 3x. Right? So this will become equals to 1 minus x square raised to power 1 into second order derivative of 1 half time 5x cube minus 3x. Right? So this is the value of P3 of x. And take the second order derivative, then this will become equals to 1 minus x square into d dx of 1 half will be constant as it is, into differentiation of this is 15x square minus 3, right? And second time if you differentiate, we'll get 1 minus x square as it is, into differentiation of this is 1 half is a constant, and this differentiation of this is 30x. This will be a 15x only, and thus finally this gives me 1 minus x square into 15x. Therefore I can say the value of P32 of x, and this is equals to 15x into 1 minus x square. This is the value of this. Right? In this way you can obtain the next sum values of the Legendre polynomial. Now one more important thing is, in the next case, if you go for the calculation of this one, suppose this is Pn of x, and this value of n is 2, m is 3, and this equation is valid only when m is less than n, right? Now in this case the value of m is greater than n, and therefore this goes to 0. This is equals to 0. You need not to do the calculations and work out all. This is, you can just give this reason, and because of this, this is equals to 0. Now do obtain the value of this. This is for you, homework. And one more problem I will give you for homework, and this is about the associated Legendre polynomial and its properties, which is a simple one. I hope you have understood this. The next example or homework problem, I can say. Verify that P32 of x is a solution of Legendre associated differential equation. Associated Pn of x, right? And you have to verify P32 of x is the solution of the associated Pn of x. That means what? You should consider the Legendre associated differential equation, calculate the value of P32 of x, whatever the value you will get, and put it into that equation and show that right hand side equals to left hand side. Of course both sides will be equals to 0, because right hand side is equals to 0, left hand side you should get 0. If this is done, that means you have verified this. So this is a homework problem for you, and in the next video we'll go for the orthogonality property proof for associated Legendre polynomial. So hope you have understood this associated Legendre polynomial. Thank you.